Hey everyone, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see from the title, we are doing a room makeover video. I've been so excited to do this video. If you didn't see my last vlog, you probably don't know that I moved. I'm still in Vermont. I just moved like literally a mile down the road, a little bit closer into the little city. And I have this new room to decorate. As you can see, it's like there's stuff everywhere. Nothing is decorated yet. I've kind of moved my things in. I have clothes here. I went from a very large apartment, as you guys saw, the loft. If you guys haven't seen those videos, I moved into this beautiful industrial loft last year. I lived there for a year. It was amazing, but when my lease was up, I had the decision to like either go right to New York or spend a few more months in Vermont and enjoy my time here and then eventually go to New York. I thought it'd be fun to like decorate this room that I have while I'm here. I got a canopy and I'm so excited to put that up. So this was a long intro, but basically we're going to be making over my bedroom. The light in here is just amazing. I have south and west facing windows, so it's like just a dream for my plants. I don't even know where we're gonna start, so let's try and figure that out and get right into it. So the main features in this bedroom are going to be the canopy. It's like the main thing right when you walk in. It's the new thing. So we've got canopy. We're not gonna hang it up yet, but I'm just really excited to see it. I'll have the company link down below. They were nice enough to give me like a little discount. Definitely check them out. They're handmade in Bali. Pretty affordable, and they're like meant for outside too. So if you have an outdoor space that you kind of want closed off from the bugs, these are great. I'm probably going to be using this in the future, especially at a future home someday out in my little lake house. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Got a TikTok going here. I got a YouTube going here. So here is the canopy. I'm gonna put it to the side right now because we are not prepared to hang this up right now. We need to clean and like, or just like, we've got boxes to unpack, but I cannot wait for her. Bambula, amazing. But I think I'm gonna start with the two at the top of the bed, and then we'll just like work our way back so that the spacing is right. Basically just screw these into the ceiling. Hopefully it doesn't come crashing down. No, I think it'll be good. These are like really long. Oh, I should drill it to start. Okay, I decided not to drill it because I wanted to make sure it got grasp. A little concerned it's like not gonna hold. There's not gonna be any pressure on it, but like if I accidentally sit on the canopy, I don't want it to rip out of the ceiling. But it's fine, I'm sweating. Okay, let's do the other side and then work our way back. The canopy has been hung. It looks insane. It looks so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I think I want to hang my mirror, my big mirror over there. I'm having trouble finding the stud, which sucks because this is what happened last time. I look short. I swear I'm not this short. So I'm thinking mirror back here, like this. This would be a good spot where I can check out my clothes. We'll hang her low. Neither of these are centered. Ooh, I can do them far away. I think if I do two, here and here, far away, then the cord sits across the whole mirror. It can just sit. Okay. Gotta figure out how to stop. Oh my god. That one seems pretty good. I mean, it looks great. Like, it looks really good there. I just hope it doesn't come crashing down. As we let the mirror kind of, you know, simmer, I'm gonna hang my chandelier. Like this corner, it's so aesthetic, and these aren't even in place yet. Plants just make a room that much better. Okay, so I also don't have like any over-the-head lighting. As you can maybe see, I have LED strip lights in here. They were from the other girl that lived in this room. and they're like vibey and good, but I just obviously want some other lights. So I actually have this guy that we had in our studio, if you remember, and I'm thinking it looks so good like next to my bed, just like as a little bed light, reading night light. Oh my god. Okay, all is well. We've got it up there. Hopefully it stays. It did not seem like great. Okay, so I'm currently sitting in an unmade bed because I don't want to make my bed with all my pillows before I hang up my frame behind my bed. So if you guys saw my living room makeover video from my past apartment, you would see that I made this frame. I'll link it down below. But it's just basically this huge frame that I had in my living room because I had a huge living room. Now I don't. So I'm going to hang it as like a headboard in my canopy. So let's do it. It's going to be a hard task since the canopy is already hung. Okay, so I just kind of want it to go centered and raised.
Summer rain on the window.
Okay, check that off the list. I ended up just using a nail because I hit the stud. So, it looks beautiful. The bed looks beautiful. Very satisfied. So let's do some little decor pieces. I've kind of been doing it as time goes. I'll just share with you. But like, I think I need to hang some frames.
Dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be.
I feel like my plants and candle situation is just gonna be an everlasting or just continuous movement because I don't know where I like them. But I have them right here right now and I kind of like it. So I have my step stool ladder, which can't use a step stool ladder anymore because it's decor. But I have all my candles kind of tiered up with plants. I've also put a few things on top of my desk. This is still TBD as well. We've got some vases with nothing in them because I can't fit anything in them with the clothes, you know, the jewelry, the perfumes, my van, little flower power van. Happy New Year, the classics. And then here in this windowsill, as you can see, I have my hanging plants hanging on the curtain rod that I'm not using, chandelier, and then we've just got a whole forest on my chair, on some books. I really like the way the books look with a plant on them. I've got this guy. I still need to trim the broken leaves, or not broken, dead. My propagated plant, another propagated plant, cactus, you know, candles. Okay, it has been a minute since I last talked to this camera, and I noticed that this video never got complete, and I really want to share with you guys my whole bedroom here in this Burlington apartment. So I'm going to give the final reveal. It is now August, so many months later. I believe I filmed this in March. I've had the best time in this room. It's time for me to head back to New York City, so I'm only in this room for one more week. It's very bittersweet. I'm about to start packing, but I wanted to do a little reveal, show you how I decorated this space for my little temporary sublet. And yeah, I love sharing my rooms with you, obviously. So let's do a little reveal, and I'm so excited to bring you guys with me on my journey in New York City. Yeah, let's do the reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like this video and subscribe down below. New York City content is on the way, and yeah, a new chapter in my life. Also, if you can see, I have my hair braided right now, but I have bleached hair again. Sweet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.